Hey y'all, I'm Chef Cory Bahr, and today we're talking simple shrimp ceviche.
We're doing this super simple shrimp ceviche. Man, this is a great party dish. If you're going to a party in the afternoon during the summertime, you want something light and refreshing, yet a little bit spicy, this is perfect. So I'm gonna walk you through the ingredients. We have half English cucumber, 1 pound of shrimp that we've already boiled, about a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 1/4 cup chopped red onion. We have some celery seed, that's about a teaspoon, and we have the juice of 3 limes. The other ingredients are just Bloody Mary mix. We're using Tony Chachere's today, and a touch of hot sauce. This doesn't get any easier, y'all. So into a bowl, we're gonna add our Louisiana shrimp and the rest of our ingredients. 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, teaspoon celery seed, juice of 2 limes. We're gonna add about 10 dashes of hot sauce. If you want to use less, that's fine, but we like it a little bit spicy and refreshing. Our Bloody Mary mix, we're gonna add about a cup of that. And you just want this to sit about an hour. Put it in the refrigerator, it's good to go. And before you bring it over to a party, you're gonna take your cucumber, just cut that in half. Nice and easy. And again, that's half a cucumber. If you're going to the farmer's market, there's some beautiful cucumbers out there right now. Fold all that together. Probably wondering what I'm gonna do with this avocado. So, you got a nice serving dish here. Just gonna take our avocado, pop that in half like that. Use our same spoon right into the bottom of our serving dish. That makes it super fun to eat. Right in there. Make sure we get a lot of those herbs and our juices, that Bloody Mary mix. We're just gonna add some of this marinating liquid, that hot sauce and Bloody Mary mix and lime juice right over the top. And that's all it takes. Now, you can leave this in the refrigerator overnight before you add the cucumber and avocado, but right before you go to the party, add your avocado, cucumber, and you're ready to go.